Welcome to another CMD tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Java version in CMD. Alright, also we're going to check your Java development kit version as well. So what we're going to do is just type in right here CMD on our search bar and just run the command prompt. And what we're going to do is just type in Java space dash version. Alright, once that's done, just hit on enter. As you can see here, we have the Java version 24, 2025, 03, 18th, and the runtime environment built right here. As you can see, now to check your Java development kit version, just type in javac space dash or hyphen version. All right. Once that's done, again, just hit on enter. And as you can see, I've installed javac 24. Which is the latest as of April 5, 2025. Well, that's basically how you check your Java version in CMD. And I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.